Hi there, I'm April Sawtell and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you a really quick way how to make a very fast patchwork quilt. I've just taken this fabric, I've cut them down to 10-inch squares, and I'm just going to start sewing them together. I'm going to pick a nice order that I like, and I'm going to just alternate blocks. I'm just going to do 6 blocks across and 7 blocks down, and I'm going to see what I come up with. I won't lay this out in any particular order. I'm just going to lay them out as to what looks good to me. The only thing I'm going to be looking for is to not have 2 blocks touching each other. All right, let's get started. I'm just going to say if you have directional fabric, just be sure that it's facing the right direction. I'm just sewing at 1/4 of an inch. I'm keeping to the edge of my presser foot. I've got my machine set at about 2.5. I'm just going to sew right across. So I'm going to be using triangles here, and I want to make sure, I guess this is not a directional fabric. Just be sure if you're using directional that you stay in the direction. This particular fabric could go either way. I'm just going to sew 6 across. I've got my 6 going across. I'm just going to stick a piece of paper here and I'm going to put an L and 1. That means left 1. I'm just going to kind of visualize this as I'm putting it up, that this is going to be the order. I may change it, but for now I want to know where the first block I started with, because I'm going to just kind of lay this out and just be looking at it every once in a while. For this, I'm just going to keep close. This is a really simple project. This is a really great beginner-friendly project. It's just straight seams and there's not a whole lot to it. It's a great one to practice for your 1/4 inch seam. Now I have all my strips made and I'm going to start sewing them all together. So I've already sewn some up here at the top, and now I'm on row 6. So I'll take row 6 and I'm going to lay that right over row 7. You can see my order here. These are my numbers. I'm going to lay this row right over, and I've pressed, the way I've pressed is I've alternated rows. So like row 1, I pressed everything to the left, row 2 to the right, row 3 to the left, so on and so forth. So when you get to your seams, they're all going to be going in opposite directions here. So then you'll be able to nest those seams easily. So by alternating the seams by rows, when you get to that, these 2 seams will be able to come together and I'll be able to nest those. Lower your presser foot, and I always start off with a back stitch at the beginning and at the end of these because they always come apart on me. Okay, so all the way down, taking your pins out as you go. I'll give it a back stitch. Do that to all of your rows. Here's what it's looking like so far, and you can see all my labels are on the left-hand side following that row down. I just didn't take them off yet, but that's how I keep myself in order. Now I'm just going to press this all out. And my quilt top is finished. At about 55 by 67, and it is adorable. This is such an easy beginner-friendly project, you guys. This is a patchwork quilt. Patchwork quilts are my absolute favorite kind of quilts to make. If you need a quilt in a hurry, this is the quilt for you. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you're all working on. Have a great day. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Say bye, little Miss Ready Thready.